Good morning, children. In our part 2 video of social responsibility of business and ethics, let us discuss about business and environmental protection. So, for the health and the well-being of people and other living creatures, they depend on what the quality of environment is all about. Due to this rapid industrialization, growing traffic has caused a lot of damage to our environment, our forest, wildlife, they all are affected due to it. Has affected a lot to the environment. The damage which the environment is facing, that is disease, disaster, pollution is injecting a lot of substances and creating types of pollution like air, water, noise. And government in many countries, they have set up a central and a state government pollution board so as to keep a check and to prevent the environment from being polluted by air and water. Now let us discuss the role of business in environment protection, how business makes the environment protected, how the business takes the responsibility to check that there is no pollution and the natural resources are also protected. So it is the duty, it is the responsibility of every business to keep a check on every kind of pollution, to protect our natural resources. Also, business takes protection. Business organization, they have taken steps to prevent the pollution, to protect the environment. Why? Because it is very necessary for every purpose. There are certain steps which the business has taken to protect the environment. First is the top management's commitment to create and maintain cultural work for environmental pollution. Second, by ensuring the division and employees of the firm to share their commitment to the environmental protection. Then third is to develop a clear-cut policy and program for the protection of environment. Then is participation of in the government programs in the which are related to the hazardous substances, tree plantation, checking deforestation, then arranging the workshops for the suppliers, dealers, customers so that pollution can be controlled. Then timely checking the pollution and recycling the waste and providing financial help to the government and NGOs for the environmental protection. Also, business undertakes the awareness and educational campaigns for the protection of environment. They organize certain prize contests so as to motivate for the outstanding achievement in the field of environmental protection by modernizing the manufacturing inputs, by minimizing the pollution and employing eco-friendly techniques and systems for their business areas. Next topic is, what does business ethics means? See, this word ethics, it has been derived from a Greek word which says ethos. Ethos means character, or we can say the standard, the behavior by which the business reacts to the environment. So it is the moral duty of the business to behave in an ethical manner. Then ethics are defined as the study of moral behavior that are concerned with the standards. Then we have ethics in our business like medical ethics, legal ethics, accountancy ethics. These are the ethics which a business must adopt. Why ethics are meaningful? It's very important to understand why ethics are very important, so that the environment do not get affected, so that the individuals are not affected by the business. Ethics are your standards, we can say they are the principles that govern how the business has to be done and how the businessman should react in the terms of behaving with the society. Now there are certain reasons why business ethics is important. Number one, businessmen, they are responsible for the welfare of the society, so they must adopt ethical practices for their business. Number two is, this modern society is an industrial society, which says that to a large extent they must adopt the proper ethics so that the members also accept it. If the business adopts unethical practice, so what will happen? They will lose the prestige, they will not enjoy the goodwill in the society, and a job has fairly important place in the life of a person. A healthy personality will only develop when a business values will be beneficial for the society. So children, this was there in this chapter. I hope this chapter is clear to you, which is quite very related to your environment. And that's it for this. Revise whatever I have taught you, and just do one question. Define business ethics. State its importance. Thank you, children.